High-income skills to learn in 2022. Every profession demands a blend of interpersonal and technical skills, and chances are you've already developed a strong skill set as a result of your schooling or previous work experience. Employers value high-income skills. These work skills are fairly rare, yet they're typically necessary for running a successful business. You may wish to highlight your high-income skills in your portfolio if you try to advance or move your career focus. You can be able to use these skills to achieve your wage goals depending on your preferred career path. So, which skills are we talking about and what do they involve? Stay tuned. But first, please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos from Traverse Media. Number 1. SEO. When you type something into a search engine, the search engine, say Google, makes some critical choices about which pages out of millions it will display. There are numerous techniques for making websites better so that Google will move them up the rankings. This is referred to as search engine optimization. SEO services are in high demand as businesses strive to increase organic traffic to their websites and products, because the alternative includes bringing in traffic through social media posting or advertising. Organic views are quite valuable. Organic traffic, on the other hand, is made up of people who are motivated to find answers to their questions. An SEO consultant's average income is $69,499, according to ZipRecruiter, whereas a well-rated SEO consultant on Upwork can earn $60 to $250 per hour. That's not terrible for a self-taught skill. Number 2. Blockchain. Blockchain is a system for preserving valuable data in which each machine maintains a record. It simply means that information is shared and copied across a system, making it more difficult to attack, as opposed to the traditional concept of storing information on a server that each computer accesses. Every computer keeps track of all transactions, making it far safer than a centralized server. The primary purpose of blockchain software developers is to create applications based on the blockchain architecture and protocol. You can compare them to web developers who employ web architects' tools to create web applications. They are in charge of both the front-end and back-end development of dApps. They're also in charge of the stack that powers the dApps. Number 3. Sales. If you want to make a lot of money, selling is a common skill that many corporations and industries require. It's another high-paying skill that doesn't require a degree. The average salesperson earns between $50,000 and $200,000 each year. You are compensated on a commission basis as a salesperson. Some people are compensated based on the number of clients they close, while others are compensated based on the number of appointments they set up with new clients. To be successful, you will need to keep up with industry changes, understand the market, and keep up with the latest trends. You'll be one of the best performers this way. As a salesperson, closing a client has a direct impact on the company's profits. Your salary for sales positions will vary depending on your performance. As a result, salary differs from person to person. If you're a salesperson in the tech or financial services industries, you're in the proper business. If you want to start your own business in the future, you'll almost certainly need to know how the skill of sales. And the skills get better, but before we continue, have you subscribed to Traverse Media? If not, please do so for more amazing content like this one. Number 4. Software development. What would the world be like without software developers? We rely on smartphones and computers for almost everything we do. Behind the scenes, developers make our digital lives possible. They work tirelessly on mobile apps, computer software, and other projects. Many will also work on web development projects, providing front-end interfaces for external apps or internal databases. Software development has been one of the most lucrative and high-paying skills since the digital revolution. Every single piece of software you've ever used was created by a devoted developer. Every day new apps are released, and nearly every business requires specialized software to function effectively. As a software engineer, you can go a long way. You can work for a larger corporation, pursue a career in game creation, or work on small-scale projects as a freelancer. Knowing how to code will assure that you will not only be employed for the rest of your life, but that you will also earn a good livelihood. Number 5. Copywriting. Copywriting is a crucial skill that involves utilizing words to promote something. It's one of those skills that many people believe they possess, but few actually possess it. It's difficult to develop watertight text that precisely captures your ideal consumer, halting them in their tracks and assisting them in overcoming purchase objections. On ZipRecruiter, the average copywriter income is $59,084 per year. However, if you're the best, this is another skill that will fetch your top dollar. Great copywriters are in high demand and command a high rate. The average Upwork copywriter's wage is around $100 per hour. Selling is the goal of copywriting. Just lovely, well-crafted phrases that make you grin and fall in love with a cause or business. Number 6. Project management. Many businesses employ an organizational structure in which various departments, teams, or team members all work on the same product or project. Project management is defined as the ability to coordinate efforts across all of those touchpoints. These members of the team may be in charge of scheduling, budgeting, and communication with project stakeholders or various parties interested or invested in the project outcomes. Project management can be seen of as a catch-all term for leadership, communication, planning, resilience, and organizational abilities, which are all highly valued by employers. Project management appears in a variety of occupations and becomes increasingly relevant as you advance to managing positions. And before we go to the next, have you subscribed to Traverse Media? If not, please do so for more amazing content like this one. Number 7. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a broad term that encompasses a variety of skills. It's beneficial to learn everything you can about digitally marketing through freelancing and numerous gigs. You can provide digital marketing consultancy, assist clients with social media planning, social media advertising, and search engine optimization, or create a paid social media campaign for them. It's fantastic if you can specialize after you've learned the fundamentals. Working for digital marketing agencies or taking Skillshare's digital marketing courses can help you develop high-paying digital marketing skills. It's one of the most efficient and effective ways to develop high-paying skills. Number 8. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Few inventions offer as much promise as artificial intelligence and machine learning at an age of extraordinary technical achievements. Self-driving cars, facial recognition software, and surgical robots are coming as a result of both, with a wide range of applications in business, health, the environment, and so on. According to SEMrush, the worldwide AI market will grow at a rapid pace over the next few years, reaching $190.61 billion by 2025. Because AI and machine learning are still developing industries, demand for AI and machine learning specialists is expected to outstrip supply for some time. Number 9. UI designer. Everything digital requires a user interface, including mobile apps, the internet, and software programs. So, what is the definition of a user interface? The user interface integrates the hardware and software, allowing users to conduct activities with ease. The demand for UI designers is at an all-time high, with new mobile and web apps being released every other day. And creating a user interface is more than just placing a few buttons here and there. The ideal user interface design establishes a personal connection with the customer. A well-designed UI provides clients with the simplicity of use in addition to offering access to features and functionalities. In today's world, UI designers are handsomely compensated. As a UI designer, you can earn a lot of money if you are creative, passionate about design, know how to utilize tools like Adobe After Effects and sketch like an expert, and understand the consumer's perspective. And it gets even more interesting. But before we continue, have you subscribed to Traverse Media? If not, please do so for more amazing content like this one. Number 10. Cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the on-demand availability of computer system resources, particularly data storage and computing power, without the user having to handle them directly. The word refers to data centers that are accessible via the internet to a large number of people. Many businesses have moved their whole physical infrastructure to cloud services like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud in recent years. There is a high need for people who are conversant with cloud computing. Hundreds of job postings can be found by searching for Amazon Web Services on LinkedIn. That is how critical cloud-based technologies have become. Cloud computing is here to stay, and it deserves to be among the top-paying skills in 2022. Number 11. Data analysis. More personnel with the ability to collect, evaluate, and exchange data that can solve business challenges are needed as firms across industries increasingly rely on data to make educated decisions. Data analysts can use a variety of tools, such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, SQL, Tableau, R, and Python. Although many diverse individuals, companies, and specialists approach data analysis in different ways, the majority of them may be reduced to a single description that data analysis is the process of cleansing, transforming, and analyzing raw data in order to obtain usable, relevant information that can help businesses make better decisions by giving relevant insights and data, which are commonly presented in charts, photos, tables, and graphs. The technique helps to lessen the risks associated with decision-making. Number 12. Graphic design. Graphic design is a highly desirable and lucrative profession with several job options. You could get a full-time job in advertising or work for yourself as a freelancer. Whatever the situation may be, everyone requires graphics to complement their online presence. Graphic design is a creative endeavor that requires practice to master. It's not like web design, where you can start with pre-made parts and templates. To express a message or build a concept, many graphic designers start from scratch. There are plenty of projects to work on, You can find yourself designing a logo one day in infographics, the next as a graphic designer. So why not study one of these in-demand skills and move up if you feel stuck in your work, especially if you hold a degree that feels useless? They'll assist you in defining the value you provide in the marketplace so you can be paid more. That's all from Traverse Media. Thank you for watching. Which of the skills will be worth your time? Which among them do you rank as the best? Comment below. Let's engage. Also, please leave a like and subscribe for more amazing content. Goodbye, see you in the next one.